Welcome back. In today's video, I have a short video for you about how to pronounce the English sound V, as in the letter V. And I will even give you some words and sentences to practice with me at the end of this video. Before we get started, this channel, Learn Academic English, is designed for English learners, especially for learners who want to be successful in an English-speaking school or job. I've been teaching English for more than 20 years and I love to help English learners with grammar, writing, pronunciation, speaking, and more. So if this is your first time here, please subscribe and let me know in the comments below how I can help you improve your English. So let's get started with the sound V. First of all, the letter V, the sound V, is a common sound in English, but it can be tricky for some English learners, especially for people who speak Spanish, Russian, some people who are from India or from other parts of South Asia and the Middle East can also have a hard time with this sound. So, for example, the word vote might sound like vote or boat for Spanish speakers, and maybe wote for speakers of other languages, especially Russian. First of all, how do you make the sound in English? The V sound is actually not that difficult if you can make an F in English. So, can you make the sound F as in the letter F? If you can, all you have to do is turn on your voice to make V, because V is the voiced version of the sound F as in F. Okay, so go ahead and make an F and then just turn on your voice. You can check to see if your voice is on by touching your throat where your vocal cords are located and say V, V. Now notice with the V sound that there are two important things. One is the placement of your teeth. Your upper teeth should be sitting on the inside of your lower lip, like that. Don't let your teeth stick way out. Again, your upper teeth are going to sit on the inside of your lower lip. Second, you want to make sure that it's a continuant sound, that you can make this sound for a long time if you want to. Because the V sound in English is what we call a continuant. It's a sound that continues. V. Let's go ahead and practice some words together. First, we're going to practice V at the beginning of words, then we'll practice it in the middle of words, and then at the end of words. And then at the end of this video, I'll give you a few sentences to practice with me. Let's begin with V at the beginning of words. Vote. Vote. Veil. Veil. Victory. Victory. Value. Value. Voice. Voice. Vacant. Vacant. Vacuum. Vacuum. Vaccine. Vaccine. Verb. Verb. Vow. Vow. Okay, let's move on to V in the middle of words. Ever. Ever. Never. Never. Cover. Cover. COVID. COVID. Heavy. Heavy. Over. Over. I'm starving. So this is the verb starve, and we often use this I'm starving to say that I'm very, very hungry. I'm starving. Okay, next, let's practice V at the end of words. love, love, dove, dove, move, move, prove, prove, stove, stove, leave, leave, live, live, Eve. This is like Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. Eve. Now it's time to practice with sentences. Listen and repeat after me. I love living here and never want to move away. Have you ever had COVID-19? No, I haven't. Have you? Despite the long line, the voters didn't leave until they had voted. Please let me know in the comments below what you would like practice with. Thank you so much and see you next time.